The timeshare costs $24,000. That is not what it costs. That is the deposit on a bill that never stops. Over 20 years, that bill comes to $66,000. You sit through the presentation. A week in the same resort every year for life. The price is $24,000. Split into a monthly payment, it sounds reasonable. Buy the vacation once, they say, and stop renting it. The pitch compares one price to a lifetime of hotels. The finance manager agrees. You sign. What that comparison leaves out is everything after the purchase. The right question is not the sticker price. It is what 1 week of vacation actually costs you, over the full life of the contract, not over the first glossy brochure. And by that number, the timeshare quietly loses. Here is how the math works. A timeshare has two prices, the one they show you and the one they do not. The one they show you is the purchase, about $24,000. The one they do not is the maintenance fee. It averages about $1,260 a year. You pay it whether you visit or not, and it does not stay flat. It rises about 5% every year, faster than inflation. That small yearly fee is the real product. Run it forward 20 years. The fee starts at $1,260. By year 20, it is over $3,000. Add up all 20 years. The maintenance alone comes to about $42,000, on top of the $24,000 you already paid. The $24,000 timeshare actually costs about $66,000. And at the end, you own nothing you can sell. Now look at what each vacation cost. 20 years, 1 week a year. 20 weeks of vacation, $66,000. That is about $3,300 a week. Booked directly, that same week runs about $1,400 to $2,000. You paid double to lock yourself in. For a week, you could have booked for less freely. Here is the version 10 years in. You barely use it anymore. Life changed. The kids grew up. But the fee arrives every year, on schedule. You keep paying, and here is why. You already put in tens of thousands. Walking away feels like wasting all of it. So you pay again, to protect money already gone. That money is spent. It is not coming back. The only real question is next year's fee, and whether it buys a vacation you would take anyway. Now look at what happens when you try to leave. A house you can sell, a car you can sell, a timeshare you often cannot give away. On the resale market, many list for $1. Some owners pay exit companies thousands just to take the contract off their hands. It is the rare purchase with a negative exit value. You pay to buy it and pay to leave it. Understanding the math still does not stop the purchase. Here is why. The sticker price feels like the cost. The fee is a small number, far in the future. And the pitch arrives when you are on vacation, relaxed, already picturing next year. The one number that matters, the lifetime fee, is the one number never put in front of you. By the time it adds up, you cannot sell your way out. So here is what the math actually tells you. First, price the whole life, not the sticker. Take the annual fee, raise it 5% a year, add 20 years of it to the purchase price. That is the real number. Compare that to booking yourself. Second, check the resale market before you buy. If it resells for $1, the sticker price was never a price. It was money you were never getting back. A timeshare is not a trap for everyone. If you return to the exact same resort every year, value the certainty, and have priced in the rising fee, it can be a fair deal. Just know you are buying a preference, not saving money. The sticker said $24,000. The real cost was the fee that never stopped. For a week of vacation, you could have booked yourself for less and walked away from. The price was never the number on the contract. It was the one they left off it.